So this is my Colt bike check 2023. I got the Colt Vegans Heavy Gate frame. It's really nice frame for anything really. Nice pop. For the forks, I got the Colt Sect V4 forks, 28mm. Headsets, the Colt integrated headset. Bars, Colt Heaven's Gate Brandon Vegan bars as well. And then the stem is the Colt Redemption Chase D-Hard signature stem in 53mm.
There you go. What the grips, you got what the Colt with the ODI bar ends up there.
Tires, Colt van. Front wheel is, did I already say the front wheel? Nah. I got the Colt Crew V2 front wheel. And then for the seat, I got the Colt all-over van print fat padded pivotal seat with the Colt counter pivotal post.
You gotta be very, very specific, guys, when doing a bike.
It is lightweight. It is really lightweight for a two-piece seat. It probably weighs under a pound.
It probably weighs like half of a normal.
Yeah, this combo is the lightest out there for sure.
Alright, what else you got on here, man?
Okay, so for the pedals, I got the Colt DAC plastic pedals, black. And I got the Colt Crew frames with a Colt DAC guarded sprocket and a Colt half-link chain, because half-links are the only thing you can get.
Yeah, dude. You want to give a hub sound now?
Oh yeah, I got
pretty much everything.
Colt
Bottom bracket.
V2.
Yeah, the Colt Crew. That's going to do it, guys. Be sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe, and comment what you think about the build. Wyatt, do you have anything to say to watchers?
Oh no, man.
Just subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Beautiful bike.